All of you, hope you guys are great. So in the last video I told you that I'm going to give you the two function which you can attach in your decentralized voting Dapp project we have. Okay, so that's the two function I'm going to give you, and this entire contract, you can take this contract or you can modify this contract. Okay, so the two function we're going to talk about in this video is the start voting and end voting. So these are the two functions we're going to talk about. So this is the entire smart contract we have written, but this one is a modified version of a project because this was part of another class, so I was teaching in that. So I thought let's give you this particular code so you guys can modify that if you guys can follow that particular project. So here you can see this is the exact voting contract we have, and this is the function I have attached. This is called start voting. The start voting. So the contract we have utilized in decentralized voting, in that you will find that we don't have this function for starting voting. So this is the exact thing you have to do if you really want to start and set the time for the voting. And here we have for this end voting. So this is the two function which I'm going to provide you in the Discord server. I'm actually going to give you the entire source code, and I want you to modify it because these are the simple smart contract. If you guys have followed the complete project of decentralized, then it's really very easy. All you have to do is to simply get this two function, change the variable as per that particular contract, and this function would be absolutely working fine. Okay, so I want you to do that. Okay, I'm not going to do it. I just want you to do that and share the code in the description, so I can know that you guys are really working and you guys are not simply copy and paste. So I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to simply copy this entire code, although I don't want to extend this video, so let me make it short. So let me open the Discord server. So I'll provide the link of this Discord server in the description so you guys can join, because in this I'm going to give you all the source code of the smart contract. So what I will do, I will simply copy. I have already copied that. I'm going to let me copy one more time. Okay, let me copy the entire source code, come here, and I'm to simply paste it. Hit enter, and it says that the file is too big. Not a big deal. So what I have to do, I'll simply just chop it down. So let me take this one, cut this one, hit enter. So now let me give you the half of the code. Okay, so this is the entire source code for the voting Dapp. What I want, come and take the smart contract, compare the smart contract with the old one, try to fit the function we have included in this start voting and end voting as per that particular contract. Or you can use this particular contract, but you have to do the little bit of modification as per the name and the variable. Okay, so hope this entire thing makes sense to all of you. I really don't want to extend this video because many of you want me to add this particular functionality into the contract. So that's why I built this particular contract, and you can follow that. So hope you guys have got the idea how you have to do it, and this is the small challenge I want to give you. Make sure to come and take that and give the solution in the Discord server or in the comment section so other can find it. Okay, I want you to do that. Okay, let's see how many of you can take this challenge and share the code. So that's the only thing I want to talk about in this video. Hope you guys have found this video valuable. If you still have any confusion, any doubt about any functionality, about any smart contract, do let me know. And all the source codes are already provided about the project we have on the channel. So chat application, like smart contract, or you can simply follow the entire project we have on the channel. So that's the only thing I want to talk about. Hope you guys have liked it. If you still have any confusion, do let me know in the comment section. I would really love to help you in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.